Hello and welcome to day 130. Getting seated, settled in for our reading today, entitled Noise. Life is noisy and the world is too crowded, but to fight with noise is not the way to get rid of it. The way to get rid of it is to accept it totally. The more you fight, the more nervous you will be, because the more you fight, the more it will disturb you. Open up, accept it. Noise, too, is part of life. And once you start accepting it, you will be surprised. It will no longer disturb you. Disturbance does not come from the noise, it comes from our attitude towards the noise. The noise is not the disturbance, it is the attitude that is the disturbance. If you are antagonistic to it, you are disturbed. If you're not antagonistic to it, you are not disturbed. And where will you go? Wherever you go, some kind of noise is bound to be there. The whole world is noisy. Even if you can find a cave in the Himalayas and sit there, you will miss life. Noise will not be there, but all the growth possibilities that life makes available will not be there either. And soon the silence will look dull and dead. I'm not saying to not enjoy silence. Enjoy silence, but know that silence is not against noise. Silence can exist in noise. In fact, when it exists in noise, only then is it real silence. The silence that you feel in the Himalayas is not your silence. It belongs to the Himalayas. But if in the marketplace you can feel silence, you can be utterly at ease and relaxed, it is yours. Then you have the Himalayas in your heart. And that's the true thing. Settling in, ready for our sit. We will take that nice big breath in. Ooh, maybe. One moment. Taking a breath in and out. And we'll sit. coming back slowly, intentionally, opening the eyes if they were shut, and taking a bit of this tranquility with you through your day. I will see you tomorrow.